In this short video, we're going to be taking a look at some terminology that will go along with Lewis dot structures. So let's dive right in and take a look. A lone pair or an unshared pair can be drawn like this. This is two electrons, either called a lone pair or an unshared pair. Either name is fine. A bonding pair or a shared pair can be illustrated like this, like a dash. And this is nothing more than two electrons that are being shared or that are involved in a bond. Remember that the word pair means two. There's two electrons here, and there's two electrons here. One is a lone pair, one is a bonding pair. Bond order. We have a first order bond, a second order bond, and a third order bond. It's simply one bond, two bonds, or three bonds. And we usually call them single bond, double bond, or triple bond. All right, let's learn a little more terminology. Let's look at this molecule here. The atom in the middle, that's called the central atom. And around the central atom, there's other atoms that are arranged. A hydrogen, an oxygen, and another hydrogen. Those atoms are called terminal atoms. You remember from the previous slide that this pair of electrons here is not shared. They belong completely to oxygen. It's an unshared pair or a lone pair. This pair of electrons here you can see is shared between carbon and hydrogen. It's a shared pair, or sometimes just called a single bond or a bonding pair. In contrast with the single bond is a double bond. A double bond would be two shared pairs, so there's a total of 4 electrons here. Now it's necessary that you memorize this terminology before we begin completing actual Lewis dot structure problems.